Boom. 22,086. Bitcoin is absolutely powering right now. We have a trend line. There's two trend lines here. So we have this trend line, which would be a good reversal option for us. If we bust through this one, then we could be going to the moon. But we're already going to the moon. I'm super bullish. I've been saying this for a few weeks now. Super bullish on Bitcoin. It can go anywhere. Like we're at 22,104 right now. So at some stage, this is going to want to pull back because you can't have vertical rallies like this without a small pullback somewhere. A good entry point would be a flag if Bitcoin started to flag out, or it come back down here and touch this support. So this resistance slash support now. It should be pretty good support. It's been touching there a few times. Bang, 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 broken that down, and then boom, she's powered through this morning. Stotch is looking for a bit of a rollover and a possible, this is on the 4 hourly, possible bearish cross on that. We still have plenty of room for the MACD to keep climbing, and the RSI can get pegged up into the overbought zone for a fair while as well. So last time it got up into that overbought zone was here, and then it kind of come back through, but it it pumped another little bit, but this vertical rally is crazy. This is good stuff for Bitcoin. Very good stuff. Very bullish for Bitcoin. Rightio, let's jump across to dominance. Dominance is powering as well. You can see here we have a fair bit of dominance in that nice little uptrend. And the thing against BTC, all your pairs are bleeding right now, but against USD, if that's what you're dealing in, then everything's green. So, most things are green. It's a pretty big green day all over. It's super green, super green. Rightio. So Ethereum here, we've punched back up through the top of this, and this is a nice little breakout. This is a continuation pattern. The measured move is this big candle here. So, I mean, it is a pretty good measured move from Ethereum. It can go pretty high actually out of this. We can come all the way up to a good 758. 758 would be, or 750, you probably call that, would be a pretty good area for a pullback. This can retest this as well, and it probably will retest it if it hits it a couple of times and then bang, come back up. But it hasn't ran super hard, like out of this trend line. So you've got plenty of room to move here with this trend line, and hopefully it can just keep powering. Total 2, it just looks like that as well. It's powering as well. So the whole crypto market is making a big move here. Like you've got this squeeze here was happening, this symmetrical triangle, and now boom, we busted out to the top side. It's got a little bit more room to move. It should maybe see a little bit of resistance here because you got this rollover and this rollover as well. So if we can punch above that, then we'll have some good times for the alts through December. Now, Cody Coin is one. They've just had a little bit of news as well at the moment, and it's not a bad idea to have a look at as well. So it can pump. It can pump hard through December, all the way up until probably just the start of January. Tezos, I reckon Tezos has some potential. You're starting to get a bit of a round bottom here with Tezos, and it's coming up to resistance. So bang, it's touched it here, it's tried to hit it there, tried to hit it there, broke through, back under, and then we're back at that point again. You got the 200 here. It's looking good. It's got plenty of room to move on the MACD. This is getting, RSI is getting up towards the overbought section. This could roll over a little bit, but it's starting to form that nice rounded bottom midterm hold, I would say, for that. Also on a midterm hold would be BNB. BNB hasn't pumped too hard, a bit like Tezos right now today, so it hasn't pumped like the others. And I would think that it has to pump. Like you'll just find the ones over the next few days that will pump is the ones that haven't pumped already, and then you just want to look at them to find some entry points. So you can see here, I was looking at a few of the entry points, and then like you got here, Alpha, it's powering, XRP's powering, another 26%, Audio is powering, Zen is powering, that was good. Theta. We've talked about Theta. We've talked about RSR as well. BTC's there, which is crazy at 13%. Tomo, I'm long on Tomo. Have been for about a month now, and everything's powering. Everything. Link, I'm super long on Link. Super long. Link has serious potential to get all-time highs once a little bit of FOMO comes around Link as well. It's all powering right now in the crypto space, but be careful of pullbacks because pullbacks are going to happen. Some news here. Back's new app will allow conversion to loyalty points to crypto or cash. So when you're trading with Back, you get your loyalty points, and you can either turn them into crypto or turn them into cash. It's pretty good, pretty damn good. The big boys are coming into the market, and they're pushing this crypto up, and they're gonna turn it mainstream crypto. Here we go. We've got linked here. It's still in this channel. It's been in this channel for a long time. So every time it's come down here, touch this, didn't get in here. It didn't get me, but got in here again as well. And it's just powering up. So we've got this kind of Adam and Eve double bottom kind of forming. So, or maybe just a double bottom. And you can see here that it's going to come up here, hit this bit of resistance, might have a pullback at 14 bucks, and then hopefully we can come back up, touch this trend line at 15.88. This will be really nice, or up here somewhere at 16 bucks. This would be really good area to take profits as well with this one. So got to be careful about taking profits up around this area, and making sure you're taking profits out of Bitcoin as well, and diversifying it into some of the coins that are maybe being hit hard, that have a nice bit of chart and a nice looking bit of news as well coming up. So Cody Coin, BNB will be strong. Link's going to be strong, of course, and also Tezos will come through. Cody Coin here. We are delighted to announce Cody debit cards and bank accounts. So they're going head into cards and bank accounts and being able to actually use Cody Pay. So they've got a real case use, real world case use, and it's going to be huge. Cody's going to be huge. You can stake Cody 2.0. It's powering. All right, if you like what I'm doing, give us a like, give us a comment, and I'll see you at $23,000.